most industries, unless you're lean, long run you won't survive. This program gives the participants the tools, the skill set to understand the principles, to go back and apply the principles to enhance the productivity, the work environment, and how they serve their customers.
We have more than 10 modules in our program. We start with lean overview and value stream mapping, and then we wrap it up with lean leadership. And lean leadership is really about implementation. That's why we intentionally close each 10-day program with that module.
In the classroom, we build a small manufacturing facility and people make a product, and of course initially it's very inefficient, and over time using the principles they improve the process. And one of the foundational tools of course is value stream mapping. Mapping your processes to understand where is the value added, where is the waste. And of course every company is different and you really have to speak their language. But at the end of the day, what amazes me is how the principles are the same.
Lean is more than just a collection of tools. It's about being innovative, being better problem solvers, developing eyes for waste, and practicing this continuous improvement philosophy, how to be better every day. It's very hard.
Really, by joining the program, they're essentially joining this great environment at U of M where it's a continuing relationship. It's not just a one-time class. We continue to work with the companies to really accelerate their lean progress.
Given a good, lean, continuous improvement system and engaging the minds of every team member, any company around the world can better compete with its competition and be successful.